Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I personally make my own prosperity spell jars. You might have seen the video on the calming spell jars I did. If I remember, I'll link it up in the eye if you have not checked it out. If not, it will be in the witchcraft or witchy vibes playlist. All right, now there's only a few items that you need for this, and you probably already have them around your house. And if you don't have every item, you don't need to include every item, as well as you can add whatever you want. And remember that rosemary and clear quartz is the universal crystal and herb for whatever you don't have. So if you don't have a specific herb that I use, you can always substitute for the rosemary. Same with the crystal. And with any kind of witchcraft or ritual workings, it is all about intention. So whatever you want these herbs to do, that's what they will do as long as you have the intention behind it. So the first thing that we're going to do is grab a bottle. This happens to be a little miniature cork bottle with the attachment here for adding it to a necklace or whatever. And you can put the crystal bottle or the spell jar wherever you want. That will help you out. So prosperity, I like to put mine on my desk as well as in my purse. So I always have the intention of receiving abundance and prosperity through my work and through whatever energy I put out with my purse. So let's cleanse the jar with incense. You can use whatever kind of cleansing method you like to use. And then after that, we're going to let the smoke kind of undo itself. All right, now as we add ingredients, it is all about measuring with your heart or your intuition. So first step, we have eggshells here, and this is for grounding and for allowing the spell energy to have somewhere to sit. So again, measure with your heart. I do like about a little thin layer there because it does tend to get a little chalky due to the, I think it's calcium in the eggshell. All right, next we are going to add basil. Basil is great for money spells. It's perfect for success, for abundance, and for peace. So peace of mind, knowing that money is coming back to you, knowing that prosperity is coming to you, that vibe. All right, next up we have clove. So this is for abundance and new beginnings. And I'm just going to add one because it is big and we have a lot more that I want to add to the jar, but you feel free, like I said, put in what works for you. Next, we have the bay leaf, and obviously we're not fitting that whole thing in there. So I'm just going to take a piece of it, kind of crinkle it up to fit. Bay leaf is for abundance, for manifesting, and for success. Next ingredient, we've got mint. This is for prosperity, for joy, and again, success. Measure with your heart. All right, and we have chamomile, and this is a pretty easy ingredient to get if you like chamomile tea. Just go get yourself a bag and open it up, and it should just be filled with chamomile. So I know it's a little bit of a weird ingredient to use for prosperity, but it's great for abundance and peace and money magic as well. Also healing. So if you have a hard time with money, this can help ease that healing with past experiences. Okay, and we love it, the rosemary. So this is for wisdom, healing, and protection. Just shove that right in there like so. Now, if you have a used incense stick, you can use that to push everything down, or a toothpick works just fine. All right, first crystal we have here is Amazonite. So this is for soothing, for drawing in wealth, prosperity, self-love, and confidence. Now, again, utilize what you got. Next, I have green Adventurine. So this is for prosperity, opportunities, luck, and releasing old patterns. And I happen to have some small chunks of pyrite. I'm going to add these in too. Pyrite is fantastic for money spells, money working of any kind. It was called fool's gold for a reason. It does look like gold. And I do have a little chunk of peacock ore, which does the same stuff, but we're going to add that in there just for pretty sake. And the last ingredient here is the clear quartz. So we're going to use this for amplification. Now again, you could have just been fine with just the clear quartz in there and that's it. So whatever, like I said, works best for you, whatever you got on hand, you make it your own. It does not have to be exactly like mine. All right, and the last step is just sealing it. And normally I seal my spell jars with wax on top, but this has the capability to be used as a necklace. So I'm just going to put a bead of super glue around the cork here to help it stay shut. And I don't want to use too much because I don't want it to, you know, get messy and fog up here. So I'm going to push really hard on that cork and get it to go in as far as possible without breaking myself or the jar. And there you have it. That is it. That's all you need to do for your own little prosperity spell jar. So depending on the type of jar bottle that you get, you can wear it around your neck, put it on in your purse, put it on your desk, put it anywhere that you want to bring prosperity in. You can even put it by your front door, by a window. Again, use your intuition on where you want to put it, but all your intentions are in here, ready to go to bring prosperity to you. So, is this something that you've tried before? Have you made spell bottles before? Is it something that you are excited to try? Do you want to see more of these videos? Please let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you do not want to try this for your own and rather just purchase, I do sell these over on my Whatnot shop, and the link will be down in the description box below, as well as all of the ingredients of what we use today. And whilst you're there in that link tree, I do have all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.